let me have a quick conversation with you about Amazon Business, but also Amazon Business Prime. So everything you need to know about the programs, those two programs, I'll explain everything to you into this conversation. So here is a glance into everything. I want to first start with Business Prime membership. So when you think about Business Prime, I want you to think about an annual membership program that actually provides business-specific features and benefits. So this is really important to think about that way. So the kind of features and capabilities that you unlock if you were to go through a Business Prime, those kinds of capabilities are way more different than what you have through the Amazon Prime, regular Prime, the individual Prime account. So when I speak about specific features and benefits, this includes unlimited fast delivery on eligible items, visibility into your organization's spend, and control over purchasing across your organization. Okay, and Business Prime membership plans are designed to offer features to suit the needs of your business, not only in the short run but also in the long run. Okay, so that's really important to really think about that. So basically, and they started, Amazon started the Business Prime sort of program in 2015. So it's been a while since like nearly 10 years. And when you think about the main difference between Amazon Prime and Business Prime, Amazon Prime is a membership program available on Amazon. It offers household and entertainment benefits such as Prime Video, Prime Music, Amazon Fresh, Prime Now, and Prime Reading for use at home. Business Prime is a separate membership program designed for businesses, available only on Amazon Business. It offers business-specific features and benefits suited for work, such as a single membership for all users on a business account, fast free business shipping on eligible items. You also have the ability to guide your users to a certain selection, visibility into your company's spend, and much more. So you have this sort of capabilities that you unlock through Amazon Business. And the thing is that basically new employees added to your business account automatically have access to the benefits of your Business Prime plan. So the benefits actually is happening at the top level. Now, just make sure you don't exceed the maximum number of users for that plan, because there are actually maximum amounts of users. Very important. And also, you can pay for Business Prime via credit card or debit card, or you can choose pay by invoice option while signing up. So pay by invoice, that's actually the Net 30 account that Amazon has for, if you want to really have a Net 30 account through Amazon, they call it pay by invoice. Let me give you a few details here. When you think about Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime, I want to really go a little more granular. So with Amazon Business, you can actually simplify buying and drive toward your next stage of growth. Doesn't matter if you're a small business, if you're a micro business, if you're a startup, you can qualify for Amazon Business real fast. And so whether shopping for work or home, people actually value Amazon for its convenience, selection, and value, right? That's the trifecta I want you to think about. So the businesses and organizations, from sole proprietorships to large enterprises, governments, schools, and healthcare organizations, have different needs than individual buyers. And this is why Amazon Business is there to sort of make sure that you have access to a lot of products. And again, the cool thing is that Amazon Business, to have an Amazon Business, you can create an account for free. Okay, Amazon is not charging you anything to actually set you up as a business account, and you can buy on Amazon Business a lot of stuff. I'm speaking about basically all kinds of products. So you have more than 6 million active customers who trust Amazon Business. You have 96 of the Fortune 100 companies, and you have 90 of the 100 most populous local governments in the United States. So that's kind of cool. And you also have the familiar experience of Amazon. Okay, so that's really good. So the user-friendly shopping experience of Amazon makes Amazon Business a very easy choice for organizations and their buyers. So new users can onboard quickly and intuitively, actually compare products and prices from multiple sellers. And with personalization powered by machine learning, this really makes purchasing on Amazon Business unmatched. This is kind of cool because you have a lot of flexibility, but also a lot of scalability. And what you love about what you will love about Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime is that you have access to a smarter business buying. So basically, you have through Amazon Business smarter, a bigger, a tighter, if you will, a stricter. I mean, in terms of scalability, but you have a more granular procurement solution. So that's really cool. When you think about Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime, I want you to think about professional grade selection. So the products that you are having through Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime are of higher quality because the thing is that Amazon Business actually helps you find and vet reliable, local, or certified diverse suppliers for all kinds of products. Okay, I mean, some organizations have a pretty strict protocol when it comes to their purchases. They want their purchases to actually be sustainable. So Amazon just makes sure that you are getting all kinds of possibility there. Okay, that's really fantastic. And what you will love most importantly is the spend visibility. So you are able to know exactly where your cash outflows are going, like on which products you are spending more with Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime. Okay, and one thing I want to say is that if your team has let's say many if you have many team members, you are able to go more granular, but also instill an extra layer of accountability because buyers can get what they want when they need it using approval workflows to identify the right approver, assign multiple approvers, or enable batch approvals. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So with Amazon Business, you can create and configure purchasing groups, add administrators, set permissions, and enable approval workflows. The approval workflows is really important because it's going to really help you control your budget. Then you can easily turn data into actionable insights with tools to efficiently plan and manage bulk purchasing. And also, you are able to easily integrate with over 100 e-procurement solutions for a streamlined user experience that simplifies actually and secures your purchasing processes, including a single sign-on, so SSO, access and secure expense reporting using a punch in and punch out. So that's kind of cool from a flexibility point of view. Okay. One thing I want to say here is that you can really unlock more benefits with Business Prime. So once you create an Amazon business account, you can become a Business Prime member and receive unlimited, fast, free shipping on eligible orders for your entire organization. Plus, you can gain exclusive access to other business features such as spend visibility. So that's pretty good. I want to talk to you about the benefits here. When you think about Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime, what kind of benefits can you really envision this year? So first of all, you have free 2-day shipping on millions of eligible items. That's kind of cool. I mean, a large assortment of products. You have multi-user business accounts. You have approval workflows. You have various payment solutions. You have reporting options. You have tax exemptions, and you have a dedicated customer support team. So that's kind of cool because it gives you flexibility. It gives you affordability. It gives you accountability also. Okay, flexibility, accountability, and affordability. That's pretty good. So that's what this is basically. I told you a little earlier about the benefits of Amazon Business. Now let me go a little further. What are the Amazon Business Prime benefits, especially when it comes to shipping? You have a free 2-day shipping. It's free on all 50 continental U.S. 50 U.S. states, including 48 continental U.S. states, and the two outside. You have Alaska and Hawaii. You have also so free 2-day shipping. You have a free same day 1-day shipping. You have discounted expedited delivery. You have free Amazon day delivery. You have free consolidated shipping 3 to 5 days. You have free delivery on special items. Okay, so this is kind of cool. You also have a Business Prime shopping benefits. For instance, you have a Prime Day deals. That's kind of cool, especially though on those days, Amazon is really having a wonderful assortments of discounted products. You also have Prime Early Access. That's kind of cool also from a flexibility point of view. And also the Essentials, Small, Medium, and Enterprise plans also come with added payments and procurement benefits either through the Amazon Business or the Amazon Business Prime programs. Okay, this is kind of cool. So on the small plan, you are able to have extended terms for pay by invoice. So you pay for 45 days. Medium plan 45 days. The enterprise plan you can go to 60 days. That's kind of cool because you have a lot of flexibility, and you also have guided buying. So when you think about Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime, I want to give you a few caveats here, okay? For you to really know that not everything is kind of rosy, so to speak, okay? Not all shipping speeds are available for every item and address. So it's important to really think more about you want to really first consult Business Prime eligible items and addresses for Amazon to really know exactly how much they will, how fast they will ship to you. And your shipping speed may depend on the shipping address, the item you select. That makes sense. The quantity of items or the value of your order, okay? So this is important. If the item you are ordering is out of stock or unavailable to ship immediately, the shipping method time starts when the item ships. Unless you specify otherwise, the Amazon business's delivery methods apply to business days only, not weekends or holidays, either state holidays or federal holidays. And so remember always to check the ordering cutoff time, because this will determine the shipping speed, and the ordering cutoff time is shown on the product detail page, okay? And so to see more the most accurate delivery information as you shop, it's important to make sure you set up a default address for your account. That way you are able to see a lot what's really happening. I'm showing you on the screen here some of the pricing for Amazon Prime and Amazon Business. So you have the Duo, the Essentials, the Small, okay? And one thing I want to say also that Amazon may require a signature on delivery of your orders. Sometimes choosing a higher quantity of an item may make it ineligible for immediate shipping. This is because multiple units may not be available locally or at the same location. And Amazon Fresh add-on, Whole Food Market savings benefits, and Prime Now are not available for Business Prime, so just be aware of that. And if you are shipping to commercial addresses shopping on Amazon Business, you must opt in from the business settings page to take advantage of the same day delivery or 1 day shipping. And your Business Prime membership may be subject to tax in some states, so just be aware of that, okay? And you may only use Business Prime for business, not personal use. And Business Prime benefits are for Amazon business customers to ship products to themselves or to locations for their own use. You can't use this shipping benefits to resell, rent, or ship products to your customers or other parties. Okay, be aware of that. And so Amazon Business may also change these benefits occasionally, but you have to go to the Business Prime terms and conditions to have more information. So let's talk about the cost. I showed you a little earlier that how much this will cost you. So you can see on the screen that basically you have all kinds of business tier, all kinds of pricing tiers when it comes to Amazon Prime and also Amazon Business Prime. Okay, there is currently no cost to set up your business account. So when it comes to Amazon Business, there's no. This is free. But if you want to move up to Amazon Prime, Amazon Business Prime, you will pay for stuff. Okay, you'll need to set up a new Amazon login with your work email to set up your free account. And if you choose to take advantage of Amazon's Business Prime, for instance, unlimited free 2-day shipping on most products, the costs are as shown on the screen. So basically, there are four price tiers for an Amazon Business Prime membership. So you have actually 5, but 4 primary ones. So you have the Essentials. The Essentials will set you back $179 per year for up to 3 users. $179, and the billing is happening once a year. This is not a monthly billing process. This is an annual billing process. And so that's for the Essentials. Then you have the Small. The Small will set you back $499 per year for up to 10 users. Again, the billing here is happening on an annual basis, no monthly billing process. Then you have the medium. The medium will set you back $1,299, so $1,299 per year for up to 100 users. And then the last stage, this is actually the enterprise stage, where Amazon is charging you $10,099 per year for over 100 users. So really, you gotta be a large enterprise to actually afford 10 grand a year. So you also have a 30-day free trial, so you can sign up for a free 30-day trial, and you can apply your Amazon Prime shopping benefits to your Amazon business account at no additional cost. So let me give you a few specs before I close to this conversation. So I want to really take a closer look at the specific benefits you get with an Amazon business account. So I think I've mentioned before, you have product selection. That's really good. You have pricing benefits. That's for sure. You have discounts too. Okay. Amazon Business features business-only pricing with discounts on millions of products across Amazon. Many discounts are not available to regular Amazon users. You get handy price comparison tools where you can see multiple offers from numerous sellers on a single page. So that level of granularity is really fantastic. You can also request quantity discounts from some sellers. And if your company have a procurement requirements, this is kind of cool also, because you can sync the requirements pretty well within Amazon Business. You can search sellers by attributes including small businesses, women-owned, and minority-owned. Okay. You also have account management. So basically, Amazon business accounts allow you to manage multiple users within your company. Administrators of the main account can add and manage multiple business account users and features, such as payment methods and shipping addresses, approval workflows, and reporting options. So that's really good. You can sync with your POS, your point of sale software. So once you have an Amazon business account, you can use the company's self-registration tool to enable Amazon on more than 50 commonly used purchasing a POS system. Okay. And if they don't have your platform, you can request that Amazon actually add it. So, and they'll do it for you, not a problem. And the last thing I want to speak about, today is that the payment solutions. Okay. Amazon Business offers several payment options, from a company-wide purchasing card to its corporate line of credit. Amazon.com actually corporate credit lines offer some handy user and management options, including the ability to authorize multiple buyers on a single account, download order history reports, and also pay by purchase orders. And you can enroll in the Amazon tax exemption program if your organization actually is eligible for tax exempt purchasing. But Amazon is going to ask you for a reseller certificate before they actually set you up in that category. So here's a closure to this conversation. So I spoke to you about Amazon Business and Amazon Business Prime. I give you a glance into the whole programs, the two programs, the details, the benefits, the caveats, the cost, the specs, and now the closure. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.